Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I would like to present the results of my search for 10 restaurants in Sumarekon, Bekasi. Before I show you the results, my linguistic landscape project and describe which restaurants use monolingual and bilingual, first of all, I will explain about Sumarekon Bekasi itself. Sumarekon Bekasi is a township or integrated residential and commercial area in Bekasi, West Java. Sumarekon was designed by PT Sumarekon Agung Tbk as a modern city with all essential facilities in one area. The goal of its development is to create a comfortable residential environment, meaning that residents can access housing, education, entertainment, business, and daily necessities without having to leave the area. So, Sumarekon not only has malls and restaurants, but also has very nice apartments, housing, and also has very nice school. Since Sumarekon has many restaurants, I became interested in using the names of restaurants in Sumarekon as the project for my linguistic landscape assignment. Therefore, I have two questions for my assignment. First, what patterns can be identified from the use of language on signage in the Sumarekon Bekasi area, and who is the target of the sign? First, I found a restaurant that only uses English. The name of the restaurant is Domino's Pizza, Bittersweet by Najla, Phil Matcha, Pig Hunter, and Stick 21. Domino's Pizza, Pig Hunter, and Stick 21 are strategically located on the side of the road and close to the Sumarekon Mall area. Meanwhile, Phil Matcha and Bittersweet by Najla are located in a special area, namely the BCBD area, which is dedicated to people who want to enjoy their meals in an atmosphere close to the lake and surrounded by lush trees. Second, there are restaurants that only use Indonesian. These restaurants are Carnivore, Bakmi GM, Restoran Garuda, and Bakso Solo Samrat. The locations of these four restaurants are quite strategic. Bakso Solo Samrat is located near the Sumarekon flyover, which is frequently passed by motorists, while Carnivore, Bakmi GM, and Restoran Garuda are located in an area close to the Sumarekon Mall Bekasi. And the last, I found a restaurant that uses both Indonesian and English, namely Shuka Grill. I searched on the internet for the origin of the word shuka, but I couldn't find it. So I asked my friends, and they said that it is slang for the Indonesian word suka, which means in English is like. From my findings, there are five restaurants that use English in their names. There are Domino's Pizza, Bittersweet by Najla, Phil Matcha, Pig Hunter, and Stick 21. And then, four restaurants use Indonesian. There are Carnivore, Restoran Garuda, Bakmi GM, and Bakso Solo Samrat. And the last, I found one restaurant uses both Indonesian and English. The name of the restaurant is Shuka Grill. Based on this, my findings, the target audience for these 10 restaurants is the upper middle class. Why is the target audience for restaurants in Sumarekon, Bekasi the upper middle class? Because Sumarekon is located in an area where the residents work in offices. In addition, Sumarekon is also close to residential areas that are almost as luxurious as Sumarekon Bekasi. That's why the target audience for these restaurants is upper middle class. Okay guys, that's all from me and see you in the next video.